Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the topic prime expression. So I believe that you have already heard about the term called prime number, right? Which numbers are called prime number? The number which can only be divided by 1 and the number itself. For example, 7. It is a number which can only be divided by 1 and 7. There are no other number with which we can divide 7 with, right? So 7 is called a prime number. Some other people may put it in different way. Maybe they will say, or it can be put in this way also, that 7, it can be factorized in only one way, that is 1 into 7. There is no other way you can factorize it. Okay, so for example, 6, you can factorize it in more than one way. 1 into 6 you can write, and again you can write 2 into 3. So if there are more than one way to factorize a number, it is not a prime number anymore. It is a composite number. Okay, so the number which can only be factorized in only one way, those are called prime number. Like that, some expressions are there which cannot be factorized other than writing that expression itself and into 1. Okay, that means those expression cannot be actually factorized. Okay, so those expression are called prime expression. Let us say we have an expression. I give you an expression like this: 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. Okay, now how can you check whether this expression is prime expression or not? Okay, the way to find out whether the expression is a prime expression or not, okay, you have to compare this one with ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, after comparing with this one, you have to find out what is the value of b square minus 4ac. If this is greater or equal to 0, you can say that this is not a prime expression. Okay, not a prime expression. But if it is negative, that means if it is less than 0, then you can say this is a prime expression. Yeah, prime expression. Now let us see whether this is a prime expression or not. Okay, so if I compare 2x square plus 4x plus 1 with this ax square plus bx plus c, what we can write? We can write a is equal to, see, the coefficient of x square is 2 and the coefficient of x square is a, so a is equal to 2. From here you can obviously say now that what is b equal to, see, b is the coefficient of x, so here we will look at the coefficient of x, that is 4, so b is 4, and then c, it is equal to 1, the constant term. Then we need to calculate b square minus 4ac. So put the value of b, that is 4, so 4 square minus 4 into a, the value of a is 2, and the value of c, it is 1. So 4 square is 16 minus 4 to the 8. So we get 8 which is greater than 0. So we can say that 2x square plus 4x plus 1 is not a prime expression because the value of b square minus 4ac was greater than 0. Now let us say another example. If I have 4x square plus x plus 3. Okay, now let us check whether this expression is a prime expression or not. Again, remember, we need to compare this one with ax square plus bx plus c. So here a will be 4, and then with x there is now no number written. So when we know that whenever no number is written, the coefficient is 1. So b will be equal to 1 and c is equal to 3. Okay, now we have to calculate b square minus 4ac. So b is 1 square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is 3. So 1 minus 4 4 is 16 into 3 48. So you see we are getting negative 47, which is less than 0. So now we can say that 4x square plus x plus 3, this expression which was given to us is a prime expression. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Now in your exercise there is a question, most probably it is, let me check, it is question number 5. Yes, see, in question number 5 they are asking you which of the following expression are real prime expression. So for each of the expression you have to calculate p square minus 4ac, and then you can say that whether these expressions are prime expression or not. Okay, now if the expressions are not prime expression, then you have to factor them. Okay, because we know that if it is prime expression we cannot factorize it, but if it is not a prime expression then we have to factorize it. Okay, so in our future videos we are going to solve this question number 5. Before that, I'd like to suggest you try to do it yourself, because already whatever we discussed in our previous videos, you should be able to solve this by yourself now. Okay, so after you are done, then try to match the solution with our solution. Okay, so I hope it is clear. If you have any more doubt, then kindly let me know in my comment section. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.